Osteoporosis is a condition of thinning of bones due to the aging process. Women are more at risk than men. Menopause, smoking and some medication can increase the risks of bone thinning. On its own, osteoporosis doesn't cause pain until a bone is fractured. The fracture under this condition is not only painful, but also it takes longer time to repair. Your period of suffering increases many folds as compared to a person who has the same fracture without osteoporosis. The most common fracture in osteoporosis is spinal compression fracture. It causes sudden severe back pain while standing and walking. You may get relief when you lie down. You will also find it difficult to bend or twist your body. It will hurt in every such movement. In osteoporosis, your spine may get curved and this may give some pain. You also begin to look shorter. The curved spine pushes the stomach forward, affecting the ribs that begin to rub with pelvic bone. This causes pain. Muscle spasms and nerve punching also occur that is painful. The condition is called kyphosis, also known as a dowager's hump. Another painful fracture in osteoporosis is hip fracture. In this case, there may be multiple bones fractured in the hip. But the worst part of osteoporosis is that fractures can occur anywhere in the body and take a long time to heal. Sometimes the small fracture can take months to heal and the pain slowly begins to reduce as the bone heals. Another chronic back pain can occur due to osteoarthritis or degenerative disc disease. It is therefore important to do a proper diagnosis of the causes of back pain to take the right pain management actions. You have many options to deal with the pain. Home remedies such as massage and relaxation techniques are very useful for pain management. You can even hire a massage therapist for better results. Other treatments can be provided by professionals like acupuncturists and chiropractors. Certain pain may require more aggressive specialized pain management techniques. Consult your doctor to get the right advice. Bottom line is, osteoporosis doesn't cause pain on its own, but the bone fractures are more common in it that cause pain. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.